And so how does the body make ATP to run all these reactions? Well, we have energy systems, 3 main energy systems in the body in order to make ATP. And so there's a phosphagen system, right? And the phosphagen system includes the little ATP that you have laying around in your cells. It'll last about 1 to 3 seconds, right? So like, let's say a saber-toothed tiger was gonna chase you down, you know, you could get up real quick and bolt. And then let's say the tiger kept running after you and you had to escape. Well, that's when the creatine phosphate system picks up, and that lasts 10 to 30 seconds. So look at the graph here. This is energy utilization, right? And this is time across the bottom. So ATP depletes really quickly at high intensities. And then creatine phosphate system, sort of ramps up as ATP is depleting. It reaches its peak and then it rapidly depletes 10 to 30 seconds. Well, if you had to keep running from the saber-toothed tiger, in our case, it's keep, lifting, jumping, etc., then you have the anaerobic metabolism, which is glycolysis, right? And that's how the body makes ATP from our carb stores, our glycogen stores. And that, as you can see, that ramps up, right, as creatine's depleting, and that picks up even more. So that'll last 30 seconds up to 2 to 3 minutes. Well, if you had to keep going, which oftentimes we do, then that's when our aerobic metabolism will pick up, right? So you can see aerobic is green, it's always going, and it takes a little bit of time because it takes, oxygen, takes time for oxygen to get into all of our cells and to start cranking out ATP at a higher level. So those are the different ways our body makes ATP. And it'll make more sense as I go along. If you think about it, right? Understanding what activities and what energy systems are in play are going to influence what you eat, how you eat, the timing, etc.